Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm mini. Big body Range Rover, not renting.
The way you move, the way you groove, it turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember this wig, but I will insert a few clips here. I rant and I rave about how I loved the lace on this wig, and I went ahead and messed it up. I tried to dye it jet black and I screwed up the lace, and I do not like the color of it. I also tried to remove the color with that ripped color mover. That did not work. So what we're doing today is basically just turning this unit into some bangs because I do not want the lace shown. So as you can see right here, more to life. I'm coming crazy, but I'm never leaving. Say calling from Atlanta, say he missed me. Wow, wow, wow. Cause better send that private out to get me. Expect this to be a long cold winter. You with a stone cold sinner. You and me, you're gonna press. In the middle first. Now, it does not have to be perfectly straight, just straight enough. I'm gonna brush it out. So, what I'm gonna do from here is part it in a triangle, and I'm gonna bring it down to the points of the arch in my eyebrow.
You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you.
I'm gonna tuck that behind my ear. Basically, what I'm gonna do is just cut. Well, well, well. Tuck the hair behind my ear, like so. Bruh. The bangs aren't bad. I just don't want them to be this thick. So what I'm gonna do is part it again down the middle. And just cut up into it. I'm gonna try to flat iron this so that it can stay down so I can get a better visual of it, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I feel like I look like Dora. I don't know, is she giving or not? Is she serving a look, or am I doing too much? Honestly, I really do not know. I feel like it's too thick. I feel like I need to figure out what I got going on here, but this is not what I was going for. I wanted it to be like not so much. I don't know, maybe I'll try to style it and see how it goes, but for right now this is what we could come up with. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.